Maganda pa rin ba?
Natural.
Sexy pa rin.
Natural.
How about you, Sharon? Kumusta naman ang si Gabby as a person and as an actor?
Well, like I've
After
been
1 year.
saying, as a person, well, now of course we're closer and I don't think we could have gotten to be so close kung hindi kami nagkakasundo. He's very sweet now to me. He's very, Kaya talaga naman eh.
Sweet ba?
Friends, hindi sweet na,
May mga
pero
nagdududa pa
sweet
nga
na.
sa friendship ninyo ngayon. Sabi nila gimmick daw or what. Ano masasabi niyo tungkol sa bagay?
Even before we knew actually that there was a movie that was going to be offered to us, we were already good friends again. So when this movie was offered to us, I didn't think twice about accepting it kasi nga magkasundo na kami.
And Gabby, we heard siya na meron daw kayong love scene dito. Na yung love scene niyo dapat nung bakit ikaw pa rin dito yata natuloy sa una kang naging akin. Totoo ba yun?
Meron kami. Doon sa kwarto sa amin. Tapos hindi kagabi. Hindi,
Kagabi?
Kagabi.
No, the other night. Ay, kagabi.
Nakakalimutan mo
Shooting
na.
so many scenes today. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Nalimutan mo na.
Ang dami na kasing love scenes di ba?
No.
Kaya,
Ay, marami na ba? Ay, naman love.
Sabi
mga
nila-
on and off camera. Hindi. Joke lang.
Hoy, what did you say?
Ba't delayed? Mga delayed yata.
Hindi, because I didn't hear, I didn't register.
Ayun.
No, but diba, I said, in the Diaryo, once it came out, andun daw ST scenes rin. These are not ST scenes. I said they're Sharon love scenes. They're
Wow.
clean.
Ang showing daw nito is kasabay nung 10th anniversary ng Sharon Gabby Love Scene. True?
Yes.
Yung show mo, ano? You had your show, di ba? Pero hindi, iba na yan.
Dear Heart was shown July 25 of 1981. And I was 15 and you were 17.
Oh, yeah. Ganun ba?
Now I'm 25 and
Hindi,
you're
15 yan.
27.
15 yata ako nun,
13 lang ako noon.
Ah,
Sige.
yeah, tama.
Any special plans nga bukod dito sa movie ng ninyo? Any special plans for the 10th anniversary ng Love Team ninyo?
I'm sure we're going to be coming up with
Special
something.
or what?
Special plans? Ewan ko. Wala
Wala
pa.
na naman.
What do you think?
For the public.
Wala pa kaming plans.
Plans for the, Love Team anniversary.
Sasabihin na lang namin pag meron. Kaya,
Sino ba nagsabi sa inyo nung una kang naging akin? Sino sa inyong dalawa? O sabay ba kayo nagsabi nung una kang naging akin sa pelikula? Siyempre, naabangan nyo ng mga
Dami.
tao. Sino kayo magsasabi nung gano'n?
hindi sa pelikula yun eh. Hindi.
Ganun ba yun?
Hindi. Pwedeng siya, pwede isang... Kasi kasama din namin dito si Don Zulueta.
Yung kaya una kang naging akin, pwede maging true to life.
Palagi ko totoo naman eh.
Ito naman yun eh. Nyer. Nyer.
So, would you like to invite your...
Mami-miss ko na to.
Halikan muna. Halikan muna.
May sunburn.
Anyway, would you like to invite
Mamaya, masaya
your fans sa showing ng parabangan nila yung una kang maging akin?
Mga kaibigan.
Mother.
No, alam nyo, like I said kanina, yung 10 taon ho ng mga pelikula ho namin ni Gabby together na kinagiliwan niyo po at hindi pinabayaan. Ito po ang parang 10th anniversary gift namin lahat, namin sa inyong lahat. And we hope po na hindi niyo pabayaan because kahit po hindi kami ni Gabby lumabas dito, maganda ho yung pelikula. And since kami pa, we're trying our best to make it very, very special for all of you. Sana po, huwag niyo pong kalimutan panoorin sa July 25.
You have